What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. For those who don't know me, I am Elise London, and for those who do know me and who are familiar with my channel, a warm welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to be trying out something a little bit new. I am testing out the most cheapest wig that is on Amazon, and I purchased this wig for $7.99. So I'm going to insert here images of what the wig looks like, and I purchased this wig around the 29th of December. And you can see that the price was $7.99 what I paid for, and I just checked on Amazon again and they upped the price to around £14. So the wig style does come as a short pixie cut with layers in it, and the colour is a dark black and the texture is straight. Guys, do you know what? Yeah, once I tried this on, I was actually disgusted, but once I played around with it, it wasn't even half bad. And it looks pretty decent for an £8 wig. And the cap construction is that inside of the wig it has no combs, only the adjustable strap at the back for tightness. So you saw the front, now this is the back. And my apologies if I didn't mention the wig company. So the wig company's name is called s-noilite store, but I'll leave all the details and the hair link to this wig in the description box below. And the texture, it doesn't feel like, what's it called, it doesn't feel like dolly hair or like bad synthetic hair. It feels quite soft and fluffy, so I was kind of a bit scared to put heat on this hair because I thought it might burn it, but it took the heat, so you know, you can add heat to this hair, so I was quite pleased with that. Don't get me wrong guys, I was liking the whole straight down look, but I just wanted to zhuzh up the look a little bit just by going in and adding some little curls, little humps into the wig. But if some of you don't know where I'm going with this, the aim of the look that I was trying to go for was the look that Nia Long had back in the 90s. And I'll insert an image in the top right hand corner to show you exactly what I mean. Okay, so that's me done doing the front. Now let's get into working with the back now. Let's get it. Alright, so once I'm done curling the wig, I went in with some hairspray just to give it that extra shine. And I did that because I just thought the wig looked a bit dull, so I just wanted to do that to make the hair look fresh. Looks like I just stepped out of a hair salon. And that's literally it, baby. There's no lace, you don't have to use no glues, no sprays, no gels. This is literally a throw on and go wig and you're good to go. So if you all enjoyed watching today's video, please leave a big thumbs up and leave a comment down below on your thoughts about this hair, and subscribe to my channel for future videos if you are new, and turn on my post notifications, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye guys.